Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change fixed scroll wheel mode on Logitech MX Anywhere 3. Let's begin. First, we need a Logitech Options application, and then we want to switch from mouse section to point and scroll section. In the point and scroll section, we have fixed scroll wheel mode, but there are a couple of things we have to change in order to actually change it from ratchet to free spin and vice versa. First of all, we have to disable SmartShift. We can just do that by just, disabling SmartShift just like that. And now we want to go to mouse and make sure that this button does not shift our wheel mode. So we can just switch it to something else, or even better, we can just go and press it to do nothing. So now it does nothing, meaning that it won't change our mode. So now we can go back to point and scroll, and as you can see, fixed mode is active. We can now switch it to free spin, and our scroll wheel will be in the free spin mode, or we can go to the ratchet. And now, I don't think you can guys hear it, but our mouse is making sounds via scroll wheel. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.